Hello everyone! If you're looking at engineering colleges near Madurai for this year's TNEA counseling, you're in the right place. Today we're taking a closer look at K.L.N. College of Engineering in Sivaganga. And for your TNE forms, the code you need is 5904.
Now, here's a pretty big deal about this college. It was actually the very first self-financing co-ed engineering college to be set up in the entire Madurai region. That's a huge part of its history, being a real trailblazer for technical education in the area.
So, how did that happen? Well, that takes us to its founding heritage, a story that's all about a legacy of industry and a strong sense of community. The story really starts with its founder, the late Thiru K.L.N. Krishnan. He was a visionary industrialist who actually pioneered the jet pump industry right here in India. So after a successful career in industry, he took that spirit and channeled it into education, establishing this very college back in 1994. And at the heart of it all was a deep commitment to community. You see, the college was established with the financial support of the Saurashtra community, and it stands today as a linguistic minority institution built specifically to serve them. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the essential facts you'll need for your TNEA application. This is the stuff that really defines the college's official status.
So, to quickly run through it, K.L.N. College of Engineering is a self-financing autonomous institution. As we just mentioned, it's a linguistic minority college. It was established in 1994, it's co-ed, and it's affiliated to Anna University, Chennai.
Now, this is really important for admissions. How are the seats filled? Well, 65% of the seats come through the TNEA government quota counseling. The other 35% are filled through the management quota. So keep that split in mind.
And what about approvals? It's got the thumbs up from AICTE for the academic year 2025-26, which is crucial. Plus, it's an autonomous college under Anna University. That basically means they have more freedom to design their curriculum and conduct their own exams, which can be a real advantage.
All right, now for the part I'm sure you've been waiting for. What can you actually study here? Let's check out the engineering programs on offer.
For this upcoming academic year, you've got a choice of 8 different undergraduate engineering programs here at K.L.N. College of Engineering. Let's break down that list. You've got the core, foundational branches like ECE, EEE, Mechanical, and of course, CSE. But what's really interesting is how they've kept up with the times. They've recently added some really in-demand specializations like AI and data science, cybersecurity, and computer science and business systems. It's a good mix of old and new. You'll want to take note of the TNEA codes and seat numbers on your screen for the branches you're targeting. Okay, academics are sorted, but what about life outside the classroom? Let's talk about the essential facilities and support systems for students on campus. For anyone thinking of staying on campus, this is super important. The college does have separate hostel facilities for both boys and girls. And a key detail here, both of the messes serve vegetarian and non-vegetarian food, so you've got options. Now, if you're a day scholar, the college runs its own buses, which is really convenient. Location-wise, it's about 11 to 12 kilometers from Madurai City, and the nearest major train station is Madurai Junction.
What about financial aid? Well, students here can apply for a number of government scholarships. This includes the First Graduate Scholarship, schemes for BC, MBC, and DNC students, the SC/ST Post-Metric Scholarship, and of course, scholarships specifically for minority communities. And now we get to the big one, the question that's on every student's and every parent's mind. After 4 years, what happens next? Let's talk about placements.
Right. It all boils down to this, doesn't it? After all the hard work, what are the actual career outcomes you can expect when you graduate from here? Okay, here's the number. According to the data the college has officially submitted for TNEA counseling, the placement percentage is 78%. This is a verified figure, which gives you a pretty solid benchmark for how many students get placed through campus recruitment. And as always, just a quick note. All the information we've shared with you today has been gathered from the college's own website and from trusted government portals. We've double-checked everything as of April 2026. We really hope this deep dive into K.L.N. College of Engineering has been helpful for your TNE shortlisting process. To continue your research, explore more engineering colleges at propsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.